Hey, good afternoon. Mep here, Mep Investments. Hope you all had a great day. Bringing you a quick video here, recap of the stock market and economic news. Tomorrow we await the CPI report at 8:30, which should cause some gyrations in the market. Monday and Tuesday have been kind of slow pace because I think everybody, the street, is waiting for that report to see what the Fed's next move is. The 10 year is pretty much flat right now at 343. The dollar was down today, holding that 102 handle. Foreign currencies all pretty much green with the dollar down. And these are live futures. They open at 6 p.m. Bitcoin up 145. Bitcoin was up 1,000 today. And it's been very strong. And a lot of the correlated names have been very strong. Coinbase, Mara, Riot, to name a few. MicroStrategy. Oil strong 81.40. I think we're just going to see higher oil prices. Heard some commentators thinking that oil is going to go lower. I don't think oil is going lower. I think we're going much, much higher. S&P 41.38 up 2. Gold flat at 220. Sorry if you hear some background noise. If you can guess it, comment below what you think it is. The lean hogs were at 73. That product's been pretty stagnant there. The cattle has been strong, 164. Small caps 1,800. Nasdaq up 10 to 1385. Dow Jones 33,867 up 15. Natural gas 222. I think it's very undervalued, and we should see natural gas have a bump up here in the future. I think that's just my 2 cents. I'm buying UNG and just holding it. Silver holding strong at 25.20. VIX under 20. We should have some gyrations, I think, and maybe the VIX pop up. We'll see what happens tomorrow. The grains, corn, soybeans, wheat, pretty quiet. Need to do more research on them, but they've been pretty quiet. And interest rates were really flat on the day. We're just waiting to see what happens with the Fed. On the account front, almost up 2%. Beating the averages by a long shot. And I had about 14 orders in my TED Ameritrade account. I was closing some stuff in Azul, which is an airlines overseas. I lost some there. I just closed that out. Sold the Iron Fly, well, basically a straddle, a protection to the upside. I think Weight Watchers will go higher. It was upgraded today by Goldman Sachs. Closed an Iron Fly, in MPW, a medical REIT. Sold a call against my 100 shares in Mara, which are up nicely. They're like at $10 and something. The stock, I own the 8. I own it at 8. Closed my First Republic Iron Condor, 70.75, 12.5, 10. Why? That's crazy. Closed it for 50% profit. Closed my Weight Watchers for 25% profit. Closed my United Rentals. So a lot of closing today. I really haven't been opening trades. There's not much out there. I closed my United Rentals for 50% profit. Closed my Micron calendar spread for put calendar spread for about 20% profit. KBE closed for 50% profit. And Credit Suisse, I got assigned and I just closed it out. I lost about, $60 there, more or less. On the Tasty trade, I was up in here today 4% on the day. So another good day on this account. And I had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. So I had about 22 in total with both accounts. I opened an Iron Fly and Clean Spark. I bought a put calendar spread in Lucid. Closed out Microsoft and Meta for small credits on top of credits to take off the risk in Meta and Microsoft. Closed Mosaic for a nice profit on that call calendar. I did a broken wing butterfly in EWZ, and I also did a custom trade in EWZ, which mimics having 100 shares of EWZ. I think the Brazilian ETF is going to head much higher, and I wanted to get some more foreign exposure, even though I got my 401k all allocated to foreign stuff through the FKIDX Fidelity ETF, and I closed Caterpillar for 50% profit. So overall, a nice day. 22 fills, and all accounts were up, and basically the street is waiting for the Fed today. So stock futures are flat ahead of key March inflation data. We have the CPI report tomorrow. Walmart chases higher profits powered by robots and automated claws. I tell my kiddo to study robotics or something that has to do with AI or robots or something. I tell her every day, but I mean, I always tell her to study something that she's passionate about and she really enjoys. So when you wake up every morning, it's not work. So, and that's how I feel about the stock market. When I wake up every morning, I love it. I love doing spreads. I love watching the tape. I love watching the news. I love listening to analysis. Obviously, I'm always going to deviate my own plan and my own thought process on it and look for a trade on it by looking at the data and checking if it has high premium and formulating a strategy. That's why I love options. There's so many strategies. So that I'm passionate about it. So always look to do something that you're passionate about. You always give it your all, and it's much easier on you mentally and health-wise. CarMax was up big. I was trying to do something in there, but CarMax options are just horrible. They're wide. It's hard to get fills. I wanted to try and get short, but I didn't get filled. They were up. I want to listen to a conference call since I'm in the used car market. So I got to do some more videos on the Polestar I'm driving, and then I'll try and get another EV, maybe try and get a Chevy Bolt 2023, so I could do videos on it as well. That's the third top selling EV, and Tesla's had to cut prices 5 times this year. So, you know, MSRP on that little Bolt is $27K. But if you just need a car to get around, you know, I'll do a video because it's a pretty cool little car. I mean, it's small and it's not fast at all, but hey, it gets you from point A to point B. You know, keep it simple. If that's what you're looking to do. On the news front, didn't really see anything that much. FBI warns of using public phones charging stations. I mean, we need the VIX higher. Let's see what happens tomorrow with the inflation data. That's pretty much I saw today. It was pretty quiet. Oh, I did see some breaking news on, and this is sad, you know, and this is crony capitalism. They even though their trades were bad, some people in government, in the White House, I don't know where, in Congress or Senate, they were trading bank stocks during the whole banking crisis. So that's pretty bush league if you ask me. But whatever. They some of the trades were bad. I don't know what to tell you, man. You gotta fend for yourself out here. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment below. Thank you for the regulars. Tejas and Doug, thank you for commenting as always. And the shorts, the YouTube shorts, if anyone's trying to do content, YouTube shorts help with your subscribers. It's been working for me. I'm up to 350, and you know, I do it because I like it, and hopefully someone learns from the channel. And then eventually, as I get older, I'll be 47 next month. Hopefully, get to 50 here soon. And when I get older and I've got permission when I'm retirement, have a bigger channel, maybe I can monetize it. Who knows? But I just want to get the word out there. There's free education on TD Ameritrade. There's free education on Tasty Trade. Become a good trader. Use it as a side hustle. You can make money with $100. You can make money with $500. You could do spreads that are $25, $50, $100. If you have $500, you could put on 5 spreads. You could put on maybe even 10 spreads. If you do $50 spreads, you could do $500 spreads. You could. It's up to you. There's a lot of strategies, and you can minimize the risk by doing these spreads. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.